and some different headings and a set of day names, covers, dates, day headings, days, I don't know, what do we call these? Oh yeah, stickers.
When you need colour, when you need light, when you need a rainbow shining bright, when it's overwhelming with all of your to-dos, go grab a sticker, it'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs, 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 EllieBeth Designs.
Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. A very warm welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and a very warm welcome if you are new here. You're joining me for a look at the March Sticker 8 monthly subscription. So as you will know, if you have seen any of these before or be familiar with my subscriptions, they come in several different sizes. So I've just got a couple to show you today. First up, let's have a little look at the subscriber freebies and kind of little extras. We've got our postcard, so this has got once upon a time, and on the back just a little bit about the collection and a note from myself. So lovely to use as a divider or a dashboard. I know some people stick them onto for example on their main planners, they might put them, let's find one where there isn't a folder in the way, something like that, so that you've got a little dashboard, or on the opposite page, you know, there's different places that you could use that, or pop it on your, you know, use it as a little bit of artwork or something. Then our gradient sampler. Oh, I can't wait to see if anyone has kept the full year of these when we get to the end of August and has the full complete gradient. Yeah, so that's there. And then there were 2 extra sheets in this month's. First up was this vinyl page with some watercolour swooshes, technical term, and a set of days of the week, and also they're actually designed to be used as like ring reinforcers, but you could use those also to make checklists, because you've just got the center bit comes out as a dot as well. So let me see if I can put that back on there. Probably not, but hey, we're going to try anyway. Then our second little sheet is on the matte transparent, and this has got some different decorative strips, some deco, and some washi strips as well. So which sizes do I have to share with you? Well, first up I've got the classic mini kit. So this is aimed for 7x9 planners or planners with 1.5 inch wide columns, and in the mini kit you get 4 pages. So we have this first one, which is basically the weekly core from the main collections, and you can see with the once upon a time theme, I kept it quite springy. And I love how this came out with the yellows. It is just absolutely gorgeous, and the kind of the sky blues and then the greens, and it really does feel quite springy, although, you know, it's not really a seasonal kit as such, so you could put this aside and use it at any point of the year. Then our second page, we have our days and dates plus Penguin Joe's, and a little bit of news for you. This page is going to change on the next Sticker 8 monthly subscription. We're going to be having a little redesign, and I think those of you who get the functional kit where you just get those 2 pages are going to be very happy, because there's going to be some deco on here. And Joe, well, put it this way, he's been under a shrink ray and he's got a bit smaller, so you know that's going to be good. So we have that as our second page. Then our third sheet of stickers in the mini kit, we've got the decorative and the half boxes, and of course every page has got the washi as well. I love this castle. I kind of want to go and visit it, and this pile of books as well just makes me go, oh, I want to know what's written inside, or I want to do the writing. And then our fourth page, where you've got some different washi, you've got some different labels, icons and checklists. And the icons are the other thing that are changing. They won't be circle icons anymore, they will be doodle icons, so very excited to share those with you too. What if you've not seen it already, my What's New Wednesday video for the 23rd of March shows you exactly what these kits are going to look like in terms of layout, so do take a peek at that. Then if you wanted to, you can always add on full boxes, and this is the sheet of full boxes that were in this month's. You've got 6 decorative ones, 3 with an overlay on, so that you can use those to layer, make a list, write on, and then your half boxes at the bottom as well. I love this with the script in the back, it just looks really pretty. And as usual with my full box sheets, you've got a line running behind the boxes as it were, which shows you where to trim for an Erin Condren horizontal planner. And then for the monthly view, which is another option you can get on the subscription, I picked the what size are you? You're the medium monthly. I was having to think then. So we've had a look at the classic size mini kit, the full boxes, and now we're looking at medium for the monthly. So I popped it in for April and May as your options, so depending when you receive it, depending on when you want to plan. Yeah, I appreciate for international people, you may wait until May for this, in case it arrives before you've set up your April, after you've set up your April. I know what I meant. And so on the medium then, which is designed around kind of the Hobonichi Cousin and A5 planners, you've got your top washi, you've got your days and your dates, a couple of box covers, some appointment labels and sidebar, and 2 strips of washi on this one. And then your second page is a page of different types of labels. If you are a very functional planner, you may find that the monthly is all that you need for your entire month. Who knows? Depends if you're pen and paper and highlighters for the rest of the month. And again, you've got 2 strips of washi on this second page as well. So that's the Sticker 8 monthly kind of overview of the theme, and a little look at a couple of the months at the collection options, the kit options that were there. I'm going to pop on screen now the sneak peek for April. It's gorgeous. It is called Spring Cottage, and oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see this come off the printers because it's going to be just so pretty. So subscription sign-ups are open now. There are some spots available, so if you've been thinking about it, please do head on over and take a look. And if you sign up for 3 or 6 months, you can actually save up to 20% off the one-off price. Or if you just want to treat yourself for 1 month through Sticker 8 monthly, you can do that as a one-off purchase option as well. So really flexible. Okay, lovely people, I have got a What's New Wednesday video to film, which may or may not have already gone up before you saw this. Ooh, the wonders of YouTube. Right, take care of yourselves, and until next time, bye-bye for now.